Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will work on maths book. This is your maths book. Okay. Open your maths book. This is your page number 1. What we do on page number 1? We do reading and coloring. Okay. Reading and coloring. Firstly we read owl, zebra, kitten, Ahmad, butterfly. Okay, read again. Owl, zebra, kitten, Ahmad, butterfly. Now, secondly, we do coloring. So, the coloring pattern is, firstly, we cover the corners, okay, the sides. Color like that. Cover the sides. Color on sides. After covering the side, we follow the coloring pattern. This is up and down, 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 up, down, up, down, up and down. Okay, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Following this pattern, you have to do color in zebra, kitten, Ahmad, butterfly. You use different type of color, yellow, purple, pink, green, ठीक है, any type of color which you like you use. Now this is your page number 2. Do you know about unit and tens? What is unit and tens? Unit means one. Okay, unit means one thing. One thing. This is the one color. This it's mean that this is a unit color. Unit means one. Okay. On page number 2, there is a story. Ahmad put some feed for the birds in a bowl. He put the bowl in his backyard. Lot of birds came to eat. Stop, birds. There is a place for only 110 here. Ahmad says there is only place of 110 tens here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ 110 जो हैं परिंदे वो पानी पी सकते हैं. आप एक परिंदा जो है वो पानी नहीं पी सकता. उसने कहा कि the rest went to the perch on a tree branch. That is not 110. We need one more bird. We need one more bird. What is Ahmed say? We need one more bird to make it 10. ठीक है. What is the quantity of birds? 9. And what he need? 1 to complete 10. Okay. One bird came down. So there were now 10 birds. Good. Now that's 110. Okay. Ahmed counted the birds, still waiting for food. 30 more birds. That's 3 tens. Ahmed wait कर रहा था कि और 3 tens bird आए और फिर मैं उनको भी पानी पिलाऊं, उनको भी खाना खिलाऊं. और it will take too long to feed all the birds from one bowl. वो कहता है ये बहुत मुश्किल है कि सारे बर्ड्स को एक ही बाउल में खाना खिलाया जाए. किटन ब्राउट अ बाउल. ये देखें, लुक दैट. किटन ब्राउट अ बाउल और कैन फीड 2 tens ऑफ बर्ड. ठीक है. अब कितने बाउल्स हो गए उनके पास? 2 बाउल्स. एंड 2 बाउल्स में कितने बर्ड्स ईट कर सकते हैं? 2 tens. ओके. Owl gave him a bowl as well. Owl gave him a bowl as well. Excellent. Now I can feed 3 birds. 3 tens birds. Okay. Ahmed said. Ahmed ने कहा. Okay. What is this? This is unit. 1 unit. Okay. And this is 1 tens. How this is 1 tens? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pencils in this bundle. Okay. It will make 1/10. Okay. If I have 2 bundles of stick, we call this 2/10. If we have 3 bundles of stick, this is 3/10. If we have 4 bundles of stick, this is 4/10. If we have 5 bundles of stick, this is 5/10. If we have 6 bundles of sticks, this is 6/10. Okay. On page number 3, you do counting and reading. Firstly, we count. Okay. We complete counting. Now we read 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10 and 6/10. Okay. As it is the page number 4, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10 and 10/10. Okay. 10 pencils will make 1/10. Okay. On page number 5, what you have to do? You have to do counting, reading and writing. Firstly, you count. This is 1. Okay. You write here 1. Trace 0. This is 2. You write 2 here. This is 3. You write 3 here. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You write 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You write 6 here. And this is 7, 8 and 9. Okay. On page number 6, you have to do the same work. You count. This is a bundle of 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. You write 12 here. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. You write 15 here. 10 plus 6, 16. You write 16 here. 10 plus 8, you write 18 here. 10 plus 9, you write 19 here. Okay. Now on page number 7, you have to work on page number 7. What we do on page number 7? We do counting, reading and coloring. Firstly, we count. This is 1. How many apples? 1 apple. How many grapes? Many grapes. How many leaves? Some leaves. You count this now. So this is some leaf. And there is no leaves. All the trees are tall. All the trees are tall. Okay. Now we read 1 apple. Many grapes. Some leaves. No leaves. All the trees are tall. Okay. After reading, we do coloring. You use any type of color. Okay. In apple, you have to use red color and following the pattern up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. You have to color neatly. After coloring in apple, we have to color in grapes, leaves and trees. Okay. This is your page number 7. You have to color in apple, grapes, leaves and trees. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Take care.